Alright guys, who's excited? Who's ready for bricks? It is Brick Thursday for us all. Brick Thursday on Supreme.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the live comp week 8. We are going to be cooking up some bricks today. It's going to get exciting. I made a few carts in SwiftSole. One is an extra large fleece. If I don't hit it, I don't hit it, and I didn't spend money, whatever. And then I did a few multi-carts in there with some of the skate tools and the decks and hats. I went ahead and threw in one cart for the shoes, just the black ones in like a small size. I was going for like 6.5 or 7 or something like that, so that probably won't hit, and I'm okay with that if it doesn't. And then I'll be real okay if it does, because that's a good size. I am the one, so we'll see what happens. There's about 15 minutes left. Alright, I'm gonna go to the other setup, so I'm gonna turn this off now. Okay guys, we got about 8 minutes to the drop today. Again, not too worried, not too excited, not too whatever. I have, like I said, I'm gonna run a few things on SwiftSole. I'm getting the phone set up as we speak. So I went ahead and made tabs for all these. I have my the hats, the accessories, the skate tab open. I will continue. I will refresh these when we get to the point, but we'll control R it. You know, control R. We got about 5 minutes to go. I'm gonna make sure I got this phone set up. If any of you out there are trying to use SwiftSole, I'll go through my steps today, and we'll see if it works. And if it does, then go for it. Basically, the main thing is don't really mess with the app too much. It doesn't need proxies. You don't need to put in delays. You don't need to do any of that shit. I mean, just let it run.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
I'll pop SwiftSole up on the screen before we get going here. You basically just create tasks, and if you have the premium one, you can use the little cart symbol up here, and it'll open up the carts, and then you can actually like drop and drag these into separate carts. See, I want to keep all my profiles together. You don't want to make a cart that has different credit cards on it or different profiles on it, because that would probably not work very well. I don't know how you can use 4 different credit cards to try to get a single cart. So just don't make silly mistakes, right? Double check your work like I'm doing now. Everything looks good here. Those are the carts that I'm going for today, and I don't think I even want this beanie though. So I'm gonna do 2 multi-carts of the same sort of thing, right? The Velvet S logo, the deck, and the skate key, and I've just went for different colors in both of those carts. And I've got one for the Nike Supreme Air Max, like a size 6.5. That's not gonna happen. And then an extra large, basically going for gold or going for broke. The SwiftSole guys recommend that you turn the CAPTCHA harvester on about a minute before. So okay, we're getting down to it. I'm going to open this up because it's going a little slow for me here. And so now I've opened up the CAPTCHA harvester. Right, so that's going to start harvesting tickets. So when you do get a checkout, you'll have a ticket and the CAPTCHA can pop up and you can deal with it right away. It's building up. So as you can see right now, it's sort of building tickets here. And then the CAPTCHAs will show up right here. So then when we get about to 10 seconds before the drop, I'm going to turn this on. I have to try to pay attention to this while I'm doing the Control R game here, because I'm still going to try to manual basically the same multi-cart that I'm doing here. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on. Start all. And now it's going to start finding items. Refresh, refresh, refresh. Refresh, refresh, refresh. Here we go. We go for that. Add to cart. Go into SwiftSole. We got tractors here. Tractors, 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 tractors. Verify. Got something. Hats. Refresh. CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA. Ooh, it's running. It's running. I don't see stairs. I don't know. Those might be stairs. It's running. Ooh, refresh. Damn it. It's hard to do. Oops. Ooh, I think we cooked there. I'm going to go for a blue hat then. Actually, I'm going to go for a red hat. Add to cart. Oh, maybe a green hat. Anything. Add anything to cart. Skate, skate. Oh, here's a deck. Try the black one. Add to cart. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Very slow, very slow, very slow. Skate key's gone. We'll just do this. Just try to get this shit here. Oh, God, so slow, so slow. I feel terrible manual boy. This is making noises, so I think I'm good here. I think it's doing stuff here. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Jesus. We can look at successes here. Am I still recording this? Yes, he is recording. Oh, and we got a cart. Yes, we got a silly cart. Wow, okay. We got both carts. It's from SwiftSole. And we got a cart online. So, but there's some SwiftSole success right there, guys. You guys were talking online today, and you weren't having success. So, manual boyed this cart here. And I SwiftSoled it for you. Alright, man. Well, thank you, SwiftSole. You guys are still cooking it for me. That is a very nice multi-cart, I think. And very fast multi-cart. Those things went. Okay, so the deck's gone. So between SwiftSole and myself today, 2 decks, black and a yellow. Alright, let's go to new. Let's do new tab. New. Your kid, he does something right for a change. Yeah, gone. This one was the sleeper. I didn't see that pattern before the first video I did this week, so yeah, I would have said go for that one too. Probably would have been easier to grab than this one, but man, they flew. Everybody knew they were gonna fly. These were the items of the week, honestly, no doubt about that. All right, so the blue jacket's gone. That's interesting. These guys are still sitting. They'll sit forever. These guys are still sitting. The long sleeves are still sitting. The fake Guess shirts are still sitting. Gee, these things will sit until somebody sets them on fire. These fucking jerseys, I don't care what you say. I'm not a fan. Actually, these hoodies kind of grew on me, but sold out. Yeah, so I like this one, but all the velvets are gone except for white. So it's very similar to what I saw from the Europe.
You serious?
These hats are still sitting, the Nike ones, so I'm good there. I went away from getting this beanie. I thought it would be kind of cool, but then just looking at it, it's just so basic, and the writing, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of it anymore. Gas can's gone, shoes gone, the skate key is gone, and then the decks are gone. So, man, this is actually a successful one. I'm literally on a ship in the ocean, and I just cooked with SwiftSole, and I cooked manual. I'm going to turn off the screen share, and then I'm going to figure out exactly what I ended up with, and we'll talk again in a second here. So SwiftSole did cook me up one of those carts. I'll put it right over here. For some reason, it told me I got that twice, so that scares me a little bit. It might mean that I get a cancellation. Checking my credit card, though, I only have the 2 charges, so the 1 cart from SwiftSole and the 1 cart that I manualed, which was the red hat and the deck, the black deck. So I feel a little stupid that I didn't go for the black hat, but at the end of the day, I imagine the black hat was probably sold out by the time I got to it manual. I was pretty slow. It was not a fast manual game. Lightning fingers, I had not. I got pretty much everything I wanted, so what can you say? I mean, that was a pretty good day. I mean, I could have got a fleece, but I didn't, and I didn't figure I would, because I don't have a $6,000 bot. I've been using this $30 iOS bot, SwiftSole, which has been doing very well for me. If you want to try SwiftSole, please take a look down below. I have the URL for it. You can use it and try it out. Today, it saved me $10 on shipping. Plus, it got me a cart faster than I was able to check out on my own. I was not able to get a skate key in my cart. SwiftSole did get the skate key. So we make up for the bad manual week we had last week by cooking it up a bunch today. For the brick week, of course. That's how it is in Supreme, though, so what are you going to do? Thanks for J Premium, always giving out the best information. Thanks to SwiftSole for helping me cook it up today. Thank you again. Like, subscribe. And now it's come to that time in our day when I need you to go do something else, okay? See you later.
I feel like I'm chosen.